Welcome to Dit Academy, where we provide quality education and training in a modern and well-equipped facility. Our academy is located in a prime location in the heart of the city. It is easily accessible by public transport, making it convenient for students to attend classes. Our modern building is surrounded by lush greenery, providing a calm and refreshing atmosphere for students to learn in. Inside our academy, we have state-of-the-art facilities that are designed to support your learning journey. Our classrooms are equipped with the latest technology, including projectors and interactive whiteboards, to ensure that you have an immersive learning experience. Our computer labs are fully equipped with the latest hardware and software to enable you to work on assignments and projects with ease. Dit Academy is located at Ahmedabad in Bhuj. We are easily accessible by public transportation, with several bus and train routes stopping nearby. There are also several restaurants and cafes in the area, providing ample options for students to grab a bite to eat during breaks. At Dit Academy, we provide you with the skills and knowledge you need to succeed in today's competitive job market. Our courses are taught by experienced professionals who are experts in their fields. We offer a flexible learning environment that allows you to learn at your own pace, and our courses are designed to be both engaging and practical. With Dit Academy, you'll gain the confidence you need to take your career to the next level.